Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how to make your makeup last all day long. So we're gonna start off with a fresh face. I've already done my eyes, so today is just the base. And I've been breaking out a little bit, so we're gonna be using something that is really good for the skin. This is the Silk Canvas from Tatcha. It's amazing. It makes your skin super smooth. It blurs out any fine lines and kind of fills in the pores. And if you want your skin to look really blurred, you can go ahead and use another primer. I'm using the Matte Lock Infallible from Loreal. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some setting spray on top of that. This is gonna seal in the primer. So we're gonna be using two foundations that I like together that last very long. This is the Hourglass Vanish in Sand. And then we're gonna be using Infallible Pro Matte in shade 103. And I know that it looks a lot darker than my face, but I like my skin to be pretty olive, so it blends into my neck and my body and it matches pretty well in person. And I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation stick to blend this all in. For today's concealer, I'm using the Flex Conceal from Milk Makeup in shade Vanilla. And I really like this concealer because it doesn't crease that much. It's really bright underneath the eyes and it really lasts all day long for an under eye brightening. So go ahead and blend in underneath your eyes with any type of sponge or beauty blender. And the great thing about this concealer is it's very lightweight, it's super blendable, and it doesn't clog your pores or anything or make your skin look really cakey. It just lays on top really nice and covers very, very well. For my everyday contour, I use the Iconic London foundation stick in shade 3.1. I just really like the color of it because it looks like a really nice natural contour and not super heavy. And it lasts very, very long on the face. To blend out the nose, I'm using my Luxie Beauty 180 Nose Perfector brush. And if you don't have this, you definitely need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again with the L'Oreal setting spray. And I'm gonna keep doing this in between everything because this is what is going to help your makeup last all day long. For the powder, I'm gonna be using the 4-in-1 from Pure Cosmetics and my Hourglass brush, and we're just gonna set the entire face. This is a really good powder for a long-lasting makeup look because it's pretty matte, but we're gonna go ahead and put on top of that the Infallible translucent powder. This is just going to bake everything in. I really like to layer my powders. We're gonna make this stay on for 5 minutes. We're going to be wearing shade Nude Kate from Tilbury for our lips. And once that's on, we can go ahead and dust off our bake. And it's very important to leave it on as long as you can because this is what is going to make your makeup last the longest. Now I'm spraying the Infallible Fixing Mist in between right before we put on our shimmery blush. This is going to help keep our blush on much longer. This is a Coral Whipped Cream Blush from Lancome. I love it and I like to apply it with a fluffy stippling brush. For today's glow, we're going to be using the CoverFX Gold Bar Highlight. And I love all of these shades, but today we're going to be using the really pretty champagne shade. To make your inner corner highlight last a lot longer, you can go ahead and set your brush with any setting spray, apply it to the highlighter, and then put it on the inner eyes, and it's just going to stick a lot longer than it usually would. I promise this is the last time we're spraying our face, but this is the completed look. I really hope you guys loved my everyday long-lasting makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!